I'm Kayla with WTI, and I was looking for a nice, small, but super cute crossbody for a few events that we had. And this little crossbody from CLUCI just fit the part perfectly. I love this bag because it is small, but it has a really nice capacity. I specifically was looking for something that I could easily pack in a carry-on to take on vacation, and also something that fit a venue size restriction. And this little bag fit both of those perfectly. I love that it has a really nice wide opening, including a zipper pocket on the inside. But I specifically really love that it has two outside pockets too. For me, I love having my phone or chapstick easily accessible on the outside, but my wallet and my keys nice and stored on the inside. Now this bag is brown and black, and I personally love that dual color feature. It has a really super cute thick strap, which I thought added a nice modern and stylish touch to it. This bag is nice because it is on the smaller end, but for me, it holds everything I need in my day-to-day activities, so I can even use this on a daily basis. So if you're looking for something that's cute, stylish, a little bit smaller, but fits a bunch, then I would definitely check out this super cute crossbody from CLUCI. But that's just my point of view.